Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get achievements in creative mode in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So from here we're going to just click on play. And now from here in play we're going to create a new world. Then in the new world we're just going to create a new survival world right here. I'm just going to name it anything. Then we're going to just click on create. Now from here section, they're going to just memorize our seed. So we're going to click on pause, go to settings, turn this to multiplayer, and then go to the settings of the game, and then switch it to creative, click on continue. And then from once you go back, you're now in creative mode. You're going to exit, save and quit. And then from here, you're going to click on the edit button. And then from here, you're going to go to advanced. And then you're going to copy the seed number that you have right here. Now we're going to just create a new world, and then from here going to create it, and it's going to be in creative. And then from here going to go to advanced, and then we're going to paste the same world seed, and then we're going to click on create. Once we click on create, then you're going to notice that once it loads it, it's going to be the exact same mob position as the first world. So right here, it's the exact same, but we're in creative directly. So we're going to just click on getting the diamonds that we want. For example, if we want to get a head start, so we can spawn a bunch of diamond blocks. So let's just fill it right here. So now we have a bunch of diamond blocks. Then we're going to exit, save and quit. And now from here, we're going to use a merger. So there are plenty of merger files where you can just copy a file right here from one of those. Then you're going to copy the creative and then turn it to another one into the survival. You can use Z-Archive if you are on Android, or you can just use your local file manager on your Windows. You can find tutorials on it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.